Check out this 2014 Cadillac SRX Luxury. 2014 Cadillac SRX Luxury Collection all-wheel drive SUV. This four-door SUV has a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Cadillac has less than 135,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. Let me tell you about this gorgeous 2014 Cadillac SRX Luxury Collection. It's got a powerful 3.6L V6 engine that'll have you feeling like a boss on the road with 308 horsepower and 265 ft-pounds of torque. And don't even get me started on the factory default features. This baby comes with everything you could ever want. The brown exterior is sleek and sophisticated, while the Ebony Ebony Accents interior is just plain sexy. And with 16 mpg in the city and 23 on the highway, you'll be cruising in style without breaking the bank. Trust me, this vehicle is in excellent overall condition and is ready to make you feel like $1 million. Let's talk options: full sunroof, heated seat, touchscreen, power rear hatch, backup camera. That's a lot of car for only $12,995. J&D Auto Sales. 1645 North Montana Avenue, Helena, Montana 59601. 406-442-2931. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, battery saver, digital odometer, external temperature display, moonroof, roof rails, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, spare tire kit, and window defogger.